In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use real user monitoring in Datadog. Real user monitoring, or RUM, helps you understand how real people experience your application in the browser. Things like page load time, route changes, errors, and where users might be getting stuck. The goal is to quickly find the sessions and events that matter, then focus on what improves your user's experience. Start by opening Datadog in your browser and signing in. From the left-hand navigation, select Digital Experience. This is the home for RUM and Datadog, and it brings together traffic, performance, and behavioral signals so you can see what users actually encounter in production. Think of it as your evidence hub for front-end performance and reliability. Once you're in Digital Experience, switch to the View tab. The View tab is your workspace for exploring and slicing RUM data without getting lost in noise. At the top, you'll see a search field. This is the quickest way to narrow the scope of what you're looking at. Type a keyword or tag you commonly use, such as a page path, route name, feature label, or environment tag, and watch the results update to match. Keep your queries specific, but not so narrow that you miss important adjacent signals. If you don't see what you expect, ease off the search term a bit and refine from there. Below or alongside the search, you'll find filters that help you zoom in. Use type to select the kind of data you want to analyze, like page views, resources, long tasks, or error events. This is especially helpful when you're isolating a particular layer of the user experience. Status helps you separate normal from problematic activity, letting you focus on items that indicate issues, such as error states or degraded experiences. Creator is useful in larger organizations where multiple people configure views and tags. Filtering by creator can align your analysis to a specific analyst or owner's conventions. Team lets you slice by ownership or domain, so each group can assess its own surface area without wading through unrelated data. Region helps compare experience by geography or deployment area, which is critical for spotting location-specific regressions or CDN misconfigurations. Combine search and filters to progressively refine your view. Start broad, then add constraints one at a time so you always understand why items appear or disappear. If results dry up, remove the last filter you added to reopen the funnel. Consistent tagging across your app will make all of this far more powerful, so align on names for routes, features, and environments. And remember, RUM data should be scrubbed of sensitive information to protect user privacy and comply with your policies. That's the workflow. Go to Datadog, open Digital Experience, head to the View tab, search, and refine with type, status, creator, team, and region to get clear, actionable insights from real user sessions.